If you're looking for a laminate floor that's waterproof and really difficult to scratch, you're not going to want to miss today's video. Let's hit it.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, so here is the Aquaguard Performance Acacia laminate flooring, and it is all complete. It took us 2 days because of the small pieces. On the step down here, we decided to switch directions to really mix it up. You had to envision this being a white riser. It's not painted yet, and the nose will be stained. It looks pretty close right now, but this is an actual wood, solid wood nose, unfinished, that the client will go ahead and stain and finish in place. But it came out really, really good. I like the small planks. I really think that it adds a lot of character. This is what we call a high variation floor. So if you like a floor with a lot of variation, then this is definitely the floor for you. No two boards in a row look the same. We have lots of variation, and it gives us lots of different patterns to work with in the boxes as well. But if you look at it across the house, you see all the variation. This is so realistic, what you'd expect a real wood floor to look like. We had over 1,000 feet of flooring, continuous, no moldings in any doorways. You know me, we ran it straight through into the rooms. Now we did have moldings where the floor ended, unfortunately, because we had to leave a lot of expansion with the laminate. Unlike vinyl, it does expand a lot more, but it's a lot more solid. If you want a solid floor, laminate just gives you a little more solid feeling than the vinyl, but this is probably going to be more resistant to scratching. My client tested this floor. He put some in some water, and it was waterproof, and then he tried to scratch it, and he compared it to the LifeProof vinyl, and he found that this was a lot harder to scratch than the vinyl. This is the Aquaguard Performance laminate flooring. The color is Acacia. If you want to learn how we click these boards together and how we install these planks, be sure to check out the installation from this job. I'll put the link in the description below. I can tell you, I definitely liked installing this stuff. A little more work with the four-sided locking system, but it's a good product. Does not scratch. The Performance is very difficult to scratch. It is a really, really strong floor. I tried to take my knife and put a mark on it and scratch it. I couldn't, barely break the surface layer. So definitely some really durable laminate. While not bad for a laminate floor. We don't do as many laminate floors anymore, but I can do a lot more. I could get used to doing a lot more like this. I really enjoy putting this in. It takes a lot more patience with the smaller planks. It's a lot more work, but when you see it finished, it's well worth it. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors. We also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even better. But we need your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please like, share, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor and mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.